Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in your Cadillac CT5 key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of the key fob. Press and hold this button, then pull out the emergency key blade. This step provides access to the key fob's internal components. Next, prepare your new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small indentation or slot. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry open the key fob. The two halves of the fob should separate with minimal effort. Be careful not to force it, as this could damage the casing or internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. After replacing the battery, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them together until they snap securely into place, ensuring there are no gaps. Reinsert the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click. Finally, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm the new battery is working. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.